for each and every task, you don't have any right to call yourself a developer. Alright, so let's talk about the first healthy habit, that is visiting dart.dev. You have to visit dart.dev and you have to read the documentation. The documentation shall be teaching you much more than any Udemy course or Coursera course, and that's all. Right, so start visiting dart.dev. Now the second point that I should be mentioning is about writing your own code. Don't rely over too many software tutorials, that is Udemy tutorials, YouTube tutorials, etc. and etc. You have to start writing your own code. Now I know you will get stuck, for sure you will get stuck, but you have to write your own code. If you ever get stuck, simply ask people. Start asking people about your doubts. And the third technique through which you can improve your Flutter journey is by creating new projects. Start creating some industry standard projects such as e-commerce application, food delivery application, Web3 projects, blockchain projects, so and so forth. Stop creating to-do lists again and again. Once you curate all the knowledge that you have gained from your Flutter, let's say course or Medium article or something, start creating projects over that. Once you start creating projects, you will learn much more than watching any tutorial. My fourth piece of advice will be stop using Firebase. Now I am not saying that you have to completely reject Firebase and move on to different tech stack, but start exploring other tech stacks as well. Now Firebase is good. Firebase provides awesome things. There is authentication, database, storage, etc. and all that stuff. But you have to start visiting other backend solutions. The other backend solutions will be Supabase, AppWrite, custom backend, Dart's own server, and much more. So stop using Firebase for your entire project course. Right now, once you keep using Firebase again and again, you will be getting habitual and you will not be growing in your circle. Right, so stop using Firebase. And the last piece of advice would be to stop using Flutter and Dart packages for all of your tasks. Now I know Flutter and Dart packages are quite handy when we have to create a small service or a small feature or something like that. But when you start using packages for each and every task, you don't have any right to call yourself a developer. What I mean by that, whenever you will be using a package for a smaller and smaller things, that package steals away your capability to write your own code. What that means is, for example, if you are creating, that is, if you are using a package to simply change the color of a widget, that will be a shame on you. Right, what I mean by that is, whenever you use a different package, some line of code that you can write natively in your own project gets stolen away. Right, so stop doing that. I know sometimes it becomes hard for developer to writing same code again and again, but when it's point of writing code that you can write without depending on others, you have to write that. So stop using packages. Now these were some piece of advice from my side on this video, and if you want more videos like this, kindly hit the like button on this video and start commenting under the comment box that you want this video. Till then, you can follow me on my Twitter and Instagram. See you in the next one.